In this video, I want to show you how to check your Windows edition or your Windows version in PC. So to do that, come to this Start button or your Windows icon. Right click and click on Settings. So it will open the settings, then scroll down and click on Update and Security. When you click on it, it will open an interface like this. Then come to this side. You can see OS build info. So click on it. It will open this about. So scroll down, come to Windows specification. You can see the edition. Like in my own case, the edition of this Windows is Windows 10 Home. And you can see the versions, you can see the install date, and you can see the OS build. So in short, this is how to check the edition and the version of your Windows. Thank you for watching.